as you can see, I've made $2,025.68 in 2 days from giving something away for free. I just want to show you now quickly what I did to get the money there that you see on the screen. I gave away a product for free, which is called the Lost Code. This was part of Goodwill, which is a product that you can buy now from Brendan and Jono. And as you can see, I put it into this group here, and I got 84 reactions on here on the 10th. And on the 11th, I did a post on my timeline, and I got 164 people commenting asking for the free product. So once everyone took the free product, we go to my stats here on Warrior Plus now, and I've set it to the 10th and the 11th, which are the 2 days that I gave this away. If you look inside the funnel here, you'll see 142 people took up the offer of the free Lost Code. You can see they didn't pay anything for that. But once they're inside there, they were then presented with upsells, and where I would normally have got 50% commissions. But what I did, you could pay $47 for the pro version of Goodwill, and it gives you 100% commission. So once these people have been going through the funnel, they've seen the other products that Brendan and John have got, one person has ended up buying a one-on-one coaching, which actually is $997. Obviously, you lose a little bit in the fees to Warrior Plus, but here there's a $397 sale, a $197, another $197, and you can see that paying that $47 for the upgrade has actually made me an extra $1,000 in 2 days from a $47 investment. So I just wanted to show you how easy this is. You give something away for free. You can go and do it in loads of different places. You can put it into forums, you can put it all over the internet, and then once people get into this, because it's a high converting funnel, it's proven, it's sold 3,000 copies online on Warrior Plus. They've actually made something that's really, really congruent in the back of it. So once people are in there, a lot of people will start buying the upsells. And if you pay for the upgrade at $47, you're going to get 100% commissions in there. I mean, like I said, I've just made $2,000 in 2 days by giving something away for free. So I just wanted to show you this quick video of how good this Goodwill product really is. Cheers now.